Hello family. Welcome to your channel. Today I bring you a video on a fruit that is extremely good for your health, which is the guava. The guava is rich in pectin, vitamins A, B and C. The guava is richer in vitamin C than the usual citrus fruits, the edible skin containing almost 5 times more than an orange. An average of 243 milligrams per 100 gram. It also contains significant amounts of calcium, which is uncommon in a fruit. For diabetics, guava can be used to greatly stabilize blood sugar levels by using guava leaves in a very specific way. In this video, I will explain the 3 main characteristics of guava and show you how to prepare it in order to benefit from all its properties. Here we go. Number 1. Treat skin imperfections. Skin with irregularities such as dilated pores, blackheads and pimples. These imperfections are caused by several factors, which can be the thickening of the epidermis, the excessive production of sebum and the multiplication of bacteria. So if it is your case, this advice is perfect for you. Guava leaves have antiseptic properties that make them very useful. To get rid of the blemishes on your skin, you just have to crush the leaves with water on them and form a kind of paste that you have to spread on the areas of your skin where those pimples or blackheads are, and you will see the results. Number 2. Your oral health. Guava leaves are excellent for oral health because they have anti-inflammatory analgesic properties and antimicrobial properties. You can make a mouthwash by boiling 6 guava leaves in a glass of water, or you can also chew the leaves of the plant directly, and you can improve your oral health. Number 3. Strengthens the immune system. It is important to mention that specifically guava leaves strengthen the immune system due to its high concentration of vitamin C and thus prevents diseases such as flu, cough and other respiratory disorders or respiratory diseases. It also contributes to the control of diabetes because it helps maintain blood sugar levels. Guava leaves can help prevent disease, and even more so if consumed as a tea. All of these methods can offer you benefits from guava leaves, but only if consumed in the form of tea. At this point of the video, I will now accompany you to show you how to prepare guava leaf tea. To prepare this recipe, you will need the following: 6 dried guava leaves, which you should leave in the air for a few days until they have a crumpled shape. Cinnamon, which is an optional ingredient, and finally a cup of water. You must first place the water in a pot and then boil it for 15 minutes. Put the lid on the pot and let it sit for 10 minutes. At the end of the waiting time, add a little cinnamon to give the tea a little more flavor. Finally, after brewing the guava tea in a cup with a strainer so that the leaves do not remain in the liquid, you can add sugar or honey according to your taste and drink twice a day. Through this video, we learned that guava leaves can be home remedies that can make your life easier and help you greatly to stay healthy. Do not forget to consult your doctor before applying any of these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any video.